Do you want to go out? I want get some fresh air.
Sure, let's go. I will take Ilham too.
So guys, I recently buy a new phone and it's very amazing. The screen is so clear and the battery is just fantastic.
Oh, really? What model is it?
It's the Galaxy last model. The screen is 6.7 inch OLED and yeah, it's making if you watch the video, it's very good and light is very lightweight.
Wow, so impressive. I've been considering getting a new phone for myself. How the camera on it?
The camera is top notch. It has 108 megapixel main sensor, so if you take a picture, come out extremely detailed. Plus, it perform really well in low light.
That does sound great. I've always liked Galaxy phones. In my opinion, they have the best Android experience.
Well, I'm more of an iPhone guy. I think Apple's ecosystem is unbeatable. Everything just works so seamlessly together.
I get that. Apple does have great ecosystem, but I prefer to customize option on Android. It allows me to tweak the phone to my liking.
Speaking of customization, what do you think about the new customizable widgets in the latest update? I have heard a lot of people are excited about them.
I've seen those. They look pretty cool. Actually, I wish iOS had more customization option like that. Sometimes I feel like iPhone are too rigid.
Exactly. That's one the reason I stick with Android. For instance, I have this widget and show me my daily schedule, and for access my favorite apps, it makes things too much more convenient.
You know, I never really thought about it that way. I might give Android another shot. What do you think, Michael? Would you ever switch?
It's tempting, but I'm still a bit skeptical. I just really like the user interface and the reliability of iPhone. Plus, all my devices are Apple, so it's hard to make the switch.
Yeah, that makes sense, but it's all about what work best for you. But if you ever decide to try something new, I highly recommend that about Galaxy Phone.
Yeah, I think I might look into it as well. Thanks for the recommendation, John.
I guess it was hard to check them out. But what about the software updates? I've heard that Android phone it don't get updates as regularly as iPhone.
That's true, some extent, but Samsung has been improving a lot of in that area. They now offer 3 years of major update and 4 years of security update, which is pretty decent.
Reassuring. I have had issue with my older Android phones where updates just stop coming in. It's good to know that's changing.
How about the performance? Do you notice any lag or issues with the Galaxy?
Not at all, and this phone has a Snapdragon 888 processor and 12 of RAM. Everything is smooth, and whether I'm playing game, multitasking, or using heavy apps.
It's impressive. How's the design? I've always liked how sleek iPhone look.
The design is really nice. It has a black glass in the back with matte finish, so it doesn't attract fingerprint. The build quality feels premium and available in some really cool colors.
Sounds like they have really stepped up their game. I've been so used the iPhone, decided that I did not realize Android phone could be that refined.
They definitely have. And another thing, I love the expandable stories. You can add a micro SD card if you need more space, which is something iPhone don't offer.
That's a big plus. I always find myself of running out of space on my phone.
Yeah, that's true. I hate having to constantly manage my storage. Maybe I should seriously consider switching.
It's worth thinking about. Both platforms have their pros and cons, but it's all about your finding what works best for your needs.
Thanks for the insight, Ham. It's always good to hear different perspective.
No problem. I always enjoy talking about technology with you all guys. What if after this we're going to coffee shop?
That's good. Let's go.
Okay.